Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Question number 56. In a standard ECG, which one of following alphabets is correct representation of the respective activity of human heart? S. Start of systole. T. End of diastole. P. Depolarization of atria. And R. Repolarization of ventricle. In the standard ECG, which one of the following alphabet is the correct representation of the respective activity of human heart? The correct answer is option C. P represents the depolarization of atria.
Question number 68. When domestic sewage mixes with river water, the increased microbial activity releases micronutrients such as iron. The increased microbial activity uses up the dissolved oxygen. The river water is still suitable for drinking as impurities are only about 0.1%. Small animals like rats will die after drinking the river water. When domestic sewage mixes with river water, what happens? The correct answer is option 2. The increased microbial activity uses up the dissolved oxygen. Question number 91. A genetically engineered bacteria used for clearing the oil spills are Escherichia coli, Bacillus subtilis, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, Pseudomonas putida. The correct answer is option D, Pseudomonas putida. Question number 89. The chitinous exoskeleton of arthropod is made of polymerization of option A. Lipoglycan, option B. Keratin sulfate and chondroitin sulfate, option C. D-glucosamine or option D. N-acetyl glucosamine. Correct answer is option D. N-acetyl glucosamine. N-acetyl glucosamine polymerize with each other to form the chitinous exoskeleton. Question number 97. The scientific names for plants is based on principles and criteria given in option A. ICPN, option B. ICZN, option C. IPZN, option D. IPBN. Scientific name of plants is based on principles and criteria given in. The correct answer is option A, ICBN. Question number 75. Oxidative decarboxylation occurs at cytoplasm, matrix of mitochondria, inner membrane of mitochondria, outer membrane of mitochondria. Oxidative decarboxylation occurs at. The correct answer is option B, the matrix of mitochondria.
Question number 66. For its activity, carboxypeptidase requires iron, niacin, copper, zinc. For its activity, carboxypeptidase requires which of the following ions? The correct answer is option D, zinc.
Question number 76. Which one of the following pairs of plant structure have haploid number of chromosomes? Egg nucleus and secondary nucleus, megaspore mother cell and antipodal cell, egg cell and antipodal cell, nucellus and antipodal cell. Haploid number of chromosomes. The correct answer is option C, egg cell and the antipodal cells. Question number 95. A triple antigen or DPT is meant for a vaccine against malaria, typhoid, cancer, mixture of viruses that cause common cold, polio and hepatitis, a vaccine against polio, rabies and hepatitis, vaccine against tetanus, whooping cough and diphtheria. The correct answer is option D. It is a vaccine against tetanus, whooping cough and diphtheria. Whooping cough is also called as pertussis. So P actually stands for pertussis. Tetanus, pertussis and diphtheria. DPT. Question number 57. Select the correct statement about biodiversity. Large-scale planting of Bt cotton has no adverse effect on biodiversity. Western Ghats have a high degree of species richness and endemism. Conservation of biodiversity is just a fad pursued by developed countries. The desert areas of Rajasthan and Gujarat have very high level of desert animal species as well as numerous rare animals. You have to select the correct statement about biodiversity. So the correct statement is option 2 is correct. Western Ghats have a very high degree of species richness and endemism. Question number 75. Point mutation involves change in single base pair, duplication, deletion, insertion. Correct answer is option A, change in a single base pair.
Question number 84. The principal nitrogenous excretory compound in humans is synthesized in kidneys but eliminated mostly through liver, synthesized in kidneys as well as eliminated by kidneys, synthesized in liver and also eliminated by the same through bile, synthesized in liver but eliminate mostly via kidneys. The correct answer is option D. They are synthesized in liver but are eliminated mostly via kidneys.
Question number 96. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous component of the excretory products of option A, earthworm, option B, cockroach, option C, frog, option D, man. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous excretory product of. The correct answer is option B, that is cockroach. Question number 80. Single-celled eukaryotes are included in option A, Protista, option B, fungus, option C, Archaea, option D, Monera. Single-celled eukaryotes are included in. Correct answer is option A, Protista. Question number 62. Which one of the following statements is wrong? Option A. Agar-agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. Option B. Chlorella and Spirulina are used as space food. Option C. Mannitol is stored food in Rhodophyceae. Option D. Algin, carrageen are products of algae. Which one of the following statements is wrong? Correct answer is option C is wrong. Mannitol is stored food product in Phaeophyceae, that is brown algae, and not Rhodophyceae. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.